Hello students, in previous class you have completed from question number 1 to question number 6 of exercise 2C. Now in this class we are starting with the question number 7. Question number 7 is the sum of money was divided between Rajiv and Ashish. Suppose this is the money box and this is the money kept in this box. They said this money is divided between Rajiv and Ashish. Rajiv and Ashish. So that Rajiv gets 7/19 of the whole amount. Let the total amount is X. Rajiv gets 7/19 of the whole amount. Whole amount is X. Rajiv gets 7/19 of X. And then they said if he gets, राजीव का ही अमाउंट गिवन है, if he gets, अगर ये अमाउंट जो है वो इक्वल है 5600, how much was the total sum? They are not asking about the Ashish, they have not given anything about the Ashish, simply they said total amount is X. मान लेते हैं total amount क्या है, X है. Rajiv gets according to the question, first they said 7/19 of total amount which is X, and then they said this is equals to, ये किसकी इक्वल है, ₹5600. Now from here you can easily find the value of X from this equation. So find it. 7/19 of X means multiply this, of works as multiplication, 5600. You want to find the value of this X, so this will be multiplied to the another side and this will be divided. X is equals to ₹5600 multiplied by 19 and divided by 7. X is equals to the 7 and this 5600 is divisible by 7. So cut them. 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56, 0, 0. So what you are getting in numerator, there is 800 multiply 19. When you multiply these two numbers, what do you get? You get 15,200. This is the total amount and this is your answer because in question they were asking for the total amount. Clear? Next question. Mr. Joshi bequeathed 1/3 of his money to his son. It means उन्होंने अपनी वसीयत जो देते हैं, जो अपनी मनी डिवाइड करते हैं अपने सन में, डॉटर में, तो उन्होंने अपने सन को कितना दिया, 1/3. मान लेते हैं let the total money was X. For the son it is 1/3 of total money. 1/5 to his daughter, 1/5 of his total money he has given to his daughter, and remaining to his wife. Who got this? They said remaining money. Students, suppose that is the total money X. Okay, this they have given for the son 1/3 of X, this for the daughter 1/5 of X, and this remaining for the wife which is equals to 42,000 rupees. Okay, firstly from the statement, if you subtract these two parts from the total money, what do you get? You get this part. अगर X में से इन दोनों को ऐड करके जो स्पेंड किया हुआ है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, we get the remaining money which is equals to the amount which he has given to his wife. Okay, so we can easily find it. X में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं sum of these two, सन का of X plus 1/5 of X, and which is equals to, जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं we get the part of wife which is equals to rupees 42,000. And in question they are asking for the total amount. So simply you will find the value of x. According to BODMAS, firstly you will solve the bracket x upon 3, or you can say 1x plus 1x upon 5 is equals to rupees 42,000. X minus, so take the LCM of these denominators, it will be 15. 3 5s are 15, so multiply numerator by 1x multiply by 5 plus 5 3s are 15, so multiply numerator by 3 is equals to rupees 42,000. X minus 5 multiply 1x is 5x plus 3 multiply 1x is 3x upon 15 is equals to rupees 42,000. X minus 5x plus 3x is 8x upon 15 is equals to rupees 42,000. Nothing is given here, so you can put 1. 15 multiply x is 15x minus 8x is equals to rupees 42,000. 15x minus 8x is 7x upon 15 is equals to rupees 42,000. You want to find the value of this x, so multiply this 15 with this 42,000 and divided by 7. X is equals to rupees 42,000 multiply 15 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42, 0 0 0. So x is equals to rupees 6,000 multiply 15 is equals to rupees 90,000. So this was the total amount. This is your answer. Next question, a boy spends 3/5 of his pocket money. So पहले तो मान ही लेते हैं, let the pocket money was x. A boy spends 3/4 of his pocket money, that means x. It means he has spent 3x upon 4 amount, and then 4/5 of the remainder is given to his sister. So sister को कितना दिया है? Let's find out. 4/5 of किसका? Of remainder. Remainder means जो बचा हुआ था, टोटल इतना था x. x में से 3/4x ऑलरेडी स्पेंड कर दिया. अब इस टोटल का 4/5 उन्होंने किसको दिया? सिस्टर को दिया. सो फर्स्टली फाइंड इट x माइनस 3/4x. रिमाइंडर का 4/5 उन्होंने सिस्टर को दिया. सो पहले रिमाइंडर निकालेंगे, टोटल में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे द अमाउंट विच ही हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्पेंट. 4/5 of 4x minus 3x upon 4. 4/5 of 4x minus 3x is 1x upon 4. This 4 and this 4 both are divisible by 4. So cut them. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Now what is remaining here? 1x upon 5. So this part he has given to his sister. So what was in the question further? 3/4 he spent. 4/5 of the remaining, that means 1/5x he has given to his sister. If he has 40 left, अगर ये देने के बाद भी जो रिमाइंडर है that is 40, then they are asking about the money which he has in the starting. Okay, so now what will you do here? टोटल अमाउंट में से यू वॉन्ट टू फाइंड द रिमेनिंग मनी ना, मनी लेफ्ट. हाउ वुड यू फाइंड इट? अब क्या करेंगे, टोटल अमाउंट में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, जो उन्होंने खुद स्पेंड किया था प्लस जो उन्होंने सिस्टर को दिया था, दिस। क्लियर? x माइनस, calculate the bracket first, 20, 4 5s are 20, so multiply the numerator by 5, plus 5 4s are 20, so multiply the numerator by 4. x minus 3 5s are 15x plus 4 1s are 4x upon 20. Calculate it. x minus 15 plus 4 is 19x upon 20. Calculate it. This will be 20 multiply x minus 19x upon 20, and which is equals to 20x minus 19x is 1x upon 20. This is the remaining amount. And in the question they said remaining amount is, जो left money है that is 40 rupees. So we will keep this amount according to question. This 1x upon 20 जो remaining amount है, this is equals to rupees 40. So find the value of x here. Rupees 40 multiply 20 upon 1. So x is equals to 4 2s are 8, 0 0. In starting the money was rupees 800. This is your answer. Next question is question number 10. A magazine has 60 pages. Total pages in magazine are 60. 7 by 12 are for advertising. Pages for advertising are 7 by 12 of 60. Calculate it. 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60. So 7 fives are 35. 35 pages were for advertising. Then 4 by 15 for photography. So 4 by 15 of 60 for photography. 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 60. So 4 fours are 16. For photography pages are 16. Pages for advertising and photography. Advertising and photography total pages निकाल लेते हैं कितना है इन दोनों के लिए, which is equals to 51. They are asking how many pages have articles and stories on them. और जबकि उन्होंने बोला है लेफ्ट आर फॉर आर्टिकल्स एंड स्टोरीज, जो बचे हुए पेजेस हैं टोटल पेजेस वर 60, 51 वी हैव यूज फॉर एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड फोटोग्राफी. जो रिमेनिंग पेजेस हैं दोज पेजेस वी आर यूजिंग फॉर आर्टिकल्स एंड स्टोरीज. सो लेफ्ट पेजेस निकालने हैं सिंपली. 60 में से 51 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, वी विल गेट 9 पेजेस. सो 9 पेजेस आर फॉर आर्टिकल्स एंड स्टोरीज. Okay, now the next question. Steve is planning to bake 3 loaves of bread. कितने loaves bread के bake करने हैं? 3. Each loaf calls for 5 whole 1/4 cups of flour. Steve is planning, this is bake, B-A-K, bake loaves of bread 3. For 1 loaf flour required 5 whole 1/4 cups. This is given in mixed fraction. You can change it into the improper. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21/4 cups. Okay. He knows he has 20 cups on hand. उसके पास already 20 cups हैं. Will he have enough flour? Let's check it. 1 लोफ के लिए हमें पता है 21/4. 3 लोव्स के लिए आराम से निकाल सकते हैं बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग दीज टू. 3 मल्टीप्लाई 21/4 इज 63/4. In mixed fraction this is equals to 15 whole 3/4, दैट मीन्स 15 कप है और उसके बाद 3/4 कप्स एक्स्ट्रा हैं, ठीक है। एंड उनके पास 20 कप्स ऑलरेडी हैं हैंड में, सो येस दे हैव इनफ फ्लावर, ओके। नाउ हाउ मच इज एक्स्ट्रा हेयर, 20 कप्स हैं ऑलरेडी एंड उनको रिक्वायर्ड कितना था 3 लोव्स के लिए, 15 होल 3/4, 20 minus this can be written as 63/4, 4/24 are 80 minus 63 which is equals to 17/4 and this can be written as 4 whole 1/4 cups. Now what were they asking in the question? Steve is planning to bake 3 loaves of bread. 3 loaves के लिए कितने cups of flour required था? 15 whole 3/4 which we have already calculated. He knows he has 20 cups on hand. 20 cups on hand है, ओके, हाथ में ऑलरेडी 20 cups flour के हैं. They are asking will he have enough flour left for the cake recipe that requires 3 whole 3/4 cups. आफ्टर बेकिंग 3 लोव्स उनको एक रेसिपी बनानी है जिसमें कितने कप्स फ्लावर रिक्वायर्ड है 3 whole 3/4 एंड ही ऑलरेडी हैव 4 whole 1/4 कप्स. 3 whole 3/4 कप्स का मतलब क्या है, 3 कप्स है प्लस 1 कप का 3/4 पार्ट है, इतना रिक्वायर्ड है एंड ही ऑलरेडी हैव 4 कप्स एंड नेक्स्ट कप का 1/4 पार्ट ही ऑलरेडी हैव मोर flour than required, so he has enough flour for the recipe which require 3 whole 3/4 cups. So answer is yes. Clear? So students, now your exercise 2C is completed. With this exercise your this chapter 2nd fractions is also completed. Practice as much as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.